Hi everyone, Andy Harris here at Northwest Corporate Law, and coming to you today to talk about assumed business names. So we get a fair amount of questions about what assumed business names are and how business owners can use them. And so I'll try to answer those questions as best as I can here. Now, an assumed business name is nothing more than a name by which an individual business owner or a company holds itself out to the public. So a good example would be Google, which is an assumed business name of a company called Alphabet Inc. Behind the scenes, the legal name of the company is Alphabet Inc., but to the public, everybody knows that company as Google. And by the way, an assumed business name is synonymous with DBA. Sometimes people say, I want to get a DBA or use a DBA. It's the exact same thing as assumed business name. Another question we get is how many assumed business names can a company have? Theoretically, as many as it wants is the answer. But the limitation would be whether or not those names are available in the state in which the person or company does business. So for example, in Oregon, if a company wants to find out if it can use an assumed business name, it would search the Oregon Secretary of State's website and find out if that name is available. And if so, then it can register that name and start using it. Different states have different registration processes. Some states make companies or individuals register assumed business names at the county level, but in Oregon, it's at the state level. Another question we get is how can a company or a business owner use an assumed business name? And typically, behind the scenes, again, the legal name should be used for contracts and signing checks, opening and closing bank accounts, that sort of thing. Again, using the example of Google, behind the scenes, Alphabet Inc. would show up on all that sort of paperwork. But to the public, from sort of a branding perspective, if you will, on letterhead, ads, signs, products, services, if we're using the example of Google, Google could be used as the assumed business name of that company. Okay, well, that's about it as far as a quick overview of assumed business names go. And hope you enjoyed this video and found it to be valuable. Thanks.